back to my channel. It's your girl JAZ.like.the.music, and today we are doing a try-on haul with ROMWE. So they are having a sale right now because we're going into fall. So I got a whole bunch of like the last minute like summer pickups. Come on, I'm gonna show y'all what I got, okay? This was the most expensive thing that I purchased, and it was $11. It's supposed to be like a long like cover-up shirt type jacket. Let me just show y'all how this looks before I get into everything else. Pretty nice, as you can see, like the material, it's corduroy, really nice. So first off, we have this little two-piece set. So everything that I purchased that you're gonna see today is, I did purchase it in a large, but it looks like I probably could have went medium. However, this skirt, this is really cute. So this is the second dress that I have. Again, it's in a large. It's funny because I got all this stuff from ROMWE, but a lot of the bags say SHEIN or SHEIN. So I'm starting to think they're just a partner company in competition with each other, but the same. So this is dress number 3. Comes in a hot pink, again, also in large. So here is the next two-piece set. Like I said with some of them earlier, I do regret getting some of them in large because, as you can see, this one's a little like loose here. So here is the next one. This is a little like romper. I really like this. This is really cute. Like, look at this, y'all. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm entertaining your son. Okay, so next we have this awesome little two-piece. Again, same issue as the last one, honestly, is just this little area is a little loose for me. You can get away with it. Like, it has this cute little slit. Not my favorite, but I don't hate it. So next we have this dress. It's one outfit and done. Like, I can just throw this bad boy on. The material is absolutely great. It's stretchy, as you can see. It's very breathable, very comfortable. I love it, I love it. It's great. Like, and it comes to here. All right, y'all, so next we have this NASA dress. Now, it's very similar to the other one, only it's more like, it's t-shirt material, but it's a little more like the ribbed effect. These dresses are probably the best quality as far as like the clothing that I've chosen. I don't know where I thought I was going. Like, I don't know what this is. I feel like a
freaking toddler.
Stiff as a board. Well, I'm going in this little number. Probably
back in the damn house.
So I have this biker short set. Like, what is this? I'm not gonna lie, this top leaves a lot of room for error. All right, y'all, so this is the only thing that I had the nerve to get in a small. As you can see, I cannot fit in this bad boy. It's really cute, but I still just wanted to show y'all because this was on sale for like less than 10 bucks. And this material is so great. And it has a cute little slit. Like, it's great, but I got some nerve. Any one of my friends or family members that sees this that wants this dress, you can have it. So the last few items that I have left are actually tops, so I had to go get some of my shorts. So this is a little sunflower top, sweater. It's very comfortable. It's thick enough but thin enough, like you could wear this. Like, look at the colors, they're so vibrant, they're so pretty. It's a crop. All right, guys, I also got this sweater. Any of my friends that need this, again, same, like, it's perfect. It looks like a sweater, but it's really like, ooh, y'all, I'm messing up my hair and my edges. But it's like t-shirt material. Like, it's thick enough you can wear it out, but I love it because it looks so like thick. And of course, school kills my vibe because right now I'm not digging it. But this is really cute. Like, it's thin enough, like you could get something, tuck it into it, make it look real cute. Y'all, I'm a fashionista. Look at me. It's cute. I love it. This sweater, shirt, whatever it is, it was supposed to be, it was under sweaters. Before I go on to my last item, my last clothing item, I actually want to show y'all this. Y'all, this is so cute. It does not fit at all. I wanted to just show y'all though. I don't know why. I believe I ordered a medium or large, and for whatever reason it came in a small. I'll show y'all so y'all know I'm not playing. This is where we're at. Like this is where we're at, guys. All right, guys, so this is the last one. I actually got it in purple because I wanted to get some more like color. I'm usually going for like the darks or like the blacks and stuff like that. So I just thought this would add a little color to my wardrobe. I really like it. Again, like the other two, it's kind of like that thin material. Like if you wanted to wear, like if you wear a shirt under this though, it would be a lot warmer. But you could just wear it as a shirt. It's really nice. It's really comfortable. I love it. So I'm pretty satisfied with really everything that I got. For the price of everything, I don't feel like anything was just completely out of like, okay, that's a ridiculous price. So everything was less than $10, like I said, except for that first initial sweater. So I'm good. Like, I got a great amount of outfits. There's a way to finesse everything that I've purchased, probably except for that one outfit. In worst case, it was all good quality. I can give it away. But like I said, tune in, keep a lookout, because I also have literally 10 plus swimsuits from there, and I'm so excited. Like, I think they're gonna be really cute. I took some of them out the bag, but I haven't really tried any of them on because I wanted to do like a first impression here. So stay tuned for that and be on the lookout. And thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, please, and comment below. Like, if you have any questions that I didn't answer, or you missed something on the sizes, or I forgot to mention something, comment. Which one did you love? Which one did you hate? Let's talk about it, sis. All right, and until next time, y'all be easy. I'll see you. Peace.